This is my tap water. I'm unemployed. I can't afford to buy any water. I'm worrying now every day, daily, that I'm gonna die. I've asked a lot of the people around if they would watch out for my kids, you know, if I do die.
We'll burn an average of 23,000 tons a day.
Finding oil and gas and coal in our own hemispheres in our national security interest.
Some of the wells have lead in them. There's arsenic. Y'all have bad water.
You're sitting here looking at your kid, you don't know if your baby's gonna die or not. Well, these politicians write these laws and nobody does nothing.
It's just wholesale environmental devastation for cheap coal.
We have kids at this school that are sick. This is ridiculous.
Coal, in its extraction process, is killing people.
If you don't clear off this road here, you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
I guess you're going to have to arrest us.
We cannot sit idly by as everything that our lives is based on is annihilated. This is our state, and we're taking it back.
It's time to say no more.
I say, which side are you on?
Stop blasting our homes!
Yeah, I'm mad. I'm mad as hell.
All West Virginia is turning into is a slurry dump of chemicals. What is it going to be 20 years from now?